Question we will be discussing about how to convert a Mealy machine to its equivalent Moore machine. So here we have the question and we have to convert this into a Moore machine. So we will start off with creating a state transition diagram. So let's take an example for the state Q1 and Q1 goes to Q2 on getting the input A and gives output 1. So that's what I have written here. On A it gets to the state 2, gives output 1. For similarly for input B it gives output 1 and goes to state Q3, and that is what I have written over here. Similarly, we can do it for Q2 and Q3. And as you can see that for state Q2, what we have here is we are having multiple outputs. So what we have to do is we have to divide the state Q2 into two states, which gives different output, which is Q21 and Q22. Q21 gives state the output to 1 and Q22 gives the output 2. Similarly, we will do this for Q3 with Q31 and Q32. Now we will create a diagram for the Moore machine using all these states that we have gathered here. So as you can see, we have Q1, we have A, B, and the output it gives. Since Q1 gives no output, as you can see over the top table, we will write a blank symbol. For Q21, we will use the table again, and we will see that over here in Q2, on getting the input A, we go to state Q2, which gives the output 2. So it gives to goes to that state of Q2, which gives the output 2, which is Q22. So we will write Q22 here. Similarly, for B, we go to Q3, which gives the output Q1. So we will write Q31. So we have written Q31 over here. Similarly, now we will do for Q22, but the difference between Q21 and Q22 will be the output, which is 1 in Q21 and Q22. And using the same procedure, we can find for Q33 and Q32 as well. And what we will do at the end is convert this whole table into its state transition diagram. And this diagram will be our final answer.